Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly adjust Roblox text size on your Mac and Windows PC. Playing games on Roblox is usually a pretty smooth experience, but sometimes the in-game chat or interface text may appear too small or too large on a computer screen. This can make it difficult to read messages, menus, or game instructions, especially during fast-paced gameplay. So, if you're using a Mac or Windows PC, there is a pretty neat way to perfectly adjust how text appears on your screen. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Roblox app on your computer, and then you have to hit the More button located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose the Settings option to proceed. Then you have to select Device Preferences option. Then you have to head over to the text size section and then drag the slider left or right to perfectly adjust the text size. It's worth pointing out that dragging the slider toward the right will help you increase the text size, while dragging it to the left will let you decrease the text size. And that's pretty much it. Customizing the text size while playing Roblox on a Mac or Windows PC is pretty quick and can significantly enhance your overall gaming experience. By tweaking the native text size settings, you can make chat messages and interface elements easier to read without affecting your gameplay. If the text still feels uncomfortable to read, you can experiment with a text slider until you find the one that works best for your screen and viewing distance. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arises, and I'll catch you up in the next one.